Hello friends, welcome to BootLogix. Friends, let's understand, what are variables in Python language? As we all know, every computer has a memory module, called Random Access Memory or RAM, or we can simply say memory. RAM is a temporary memory, and while a software program or an app is running, its data is stored in this memory. As soon as the software or app closes, whatever memory it holds becomes available for other programs. So, how can we define a variable? A Python variable is a user-defined identifier, or a name given to any memory location, for storing different types of data values. For example, if you want to store the value of your age, you can make a variable by the name of age and assign the value of age by using the equal sign. This is known as the assignment statement.